Producer, I know say you see with me, you know. Let's do that. Man, see the more you live, the more you learn. And when you learn, you better make you turn. Rebel vibes once more. Watch ya. Hey, tell you that. Stand up as a man, you know right from wrong. Now me not careless, Ethiopian. Just stand up as a man, you know right from wrong. Now me not careless, Ethiopian. Cause now your eyes are open. Tell me which way you are gonna go. Now the word I'm spoken. You stop believe, now you know. Me sing again. Now your eyes are open. You tell me which way you are gonna go. Now the word I'm spoken. You stop believe, now you know. Them tell we pure lie about heaven in the sky, and you can't go there anyhow. You know, die them teach you about a blonde hair guy with blue. I am not there with nothing but King Selassie. I appear confusion every day. Why them lose respect for Rastafari? Right, but now you know say things start to rectify. Your body ways, them you must now tell bye-bye. Missing again, stand up as a man, know right from wrong. Now me not careless Ethiopian. Stand up as a man, you know right from wrong. Now me not careless Ethiopian. Now that your eyes are open, tell me which way you are gonna go. Now the word I'm spoken. You stop believe, now you know. Missing again, now your eyes are open, you tell me which way you are gonna go. Now the word I've spoken. You stop believe, now you know. You shoulda know that from you are black, you are African, and that's a well known fact. You study about the past, now you hello cause, and then you demand reparation. Fast, although it is a dance and some won't last. For repatriation we can't stop act. Missing again, stand up as a man, you know right from wrong. Now be not careless Ethiopian. Stand up as a man, you know right from wrong. Now be not careless Ethiopian. Now your eyes are open, brethren. Which way you are gonna go? Now the word I've spoken. You stop believe, now you know. I sing again. Now your eyes are open, brethren. Which way you are gonna go? Now the word I've spoken. You stop believe, now you know. This is the ancient order. I know nothing new. Praise of the Father inside of you. Call great number chosen or few. They want to decide to continue. If you know they will and what it not you beat with ministry. Because I don't know how you know say the commandment right me now. Say you feel know everything overnight, but you know better them do better. And go shine your light. Stand up as a man, know right from wrong. Now be not careless Ethiopian. Stand up as a man, you know right from wrong. Now be not careless Ethiopian. Know that your eyes are open, tell me which way you are gonna go. Now the word I'm spoken. You stop believe, now you know. I sing again. Now your eyes are open, tell me which way you are gonna go. Now the word I'm spoken. You stop believe, now you know. Them tell we pure lie about heaven in the sky, and you can't go there anyhow. You know, die teach you about a blonde hair guy with blue. I not tell you nothing but King Selassie. I is pure confusion every